Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to connect Mailchimp with your Bigcommerce store. Integrating Mailchimp helps us sync customer data, automate email campaigns, and create targeted marketing strategies to grow our business. Let's get started. In the Bigcommerce dashboard, go to Channels or Apps. Click these apps and then click this App Marketplace. Click this Discover Apps in the Marketplace. Once redirected to the Marketplace, type Mailchimp. To get Mailchimp or add it to Bigcommerce, click this, Get this app, and then choose if you have an existing Bigcommerce store or a new one, depending on your situation. Log in and choose the store where you want to connect Mailchimp. After choosing, click this Install. Once it's done, check the box and click this and confirm. Be sure to read all the details before checking and confirming. When the Connect pop-up appears, click Connect. Here, log into your Mailchimp account. Just connect or continue with Google using your Google account. Once connected, Mailchimp will be set up. Now, select Audience. It will show your stores. Start sync. Wait for all your details to sync. This may take some time. When syncing is complete, you can see your records, account status, and manage all your data, campaigns, and promotions. You can also send a pin box or view your logs. That's how we integrate Mailchimp with Bigcommerce. Once connected, we can start building automated campaigns and engage our customers more effectively.